One additional belief that's important to get rid of at this point is one that most people hold. Change is difficult and takes a long time. It's important to eliminate that belief when you're using the Lefkoe method, because having this belief can make you anticipate having the same problems in your life, even when the beliefs that cause the problems have been eliminated. When I work with people who have a fear of public speaking, for example, their thought that the fear must still be there can cause some fear, even if every belief that originally caused the fear is gone. When they stop believing that change is difficult and takes a long time, the remaining fear goes away. At first glance, you may think you do not hold this belief. Of course, change doesn't have to be difficult or take a long time. But before you click Next Belief and skip this one, please answer these questions. Do you really believe, not intellectually, but in your gut, that you can get rid of a belief you've lived with for a lifetime in only a few minutes, so that it never comes back? Do you really believe that you can get rid of thoughts and feelings about wanting the approval of others in just a couple of hours, and have those thoughts and feelings not come back after a few weeks? Unless you could answer yes to these 4 questions without any reservations at all, you almost certainly have a belief worded something like, change is difficult and takes a long time. The words you use for this belief might be slightly different, but it's unlikely you would answer yes to these questions without having a belief something like this. In order to make sure you get the full value from the time you spent eliminating mistakes and failure are bad and I'm not good enough, I'm now going to help you get rid of the belief change is difficult and takes a long time. Your belief might not be these exact words, but almost everyone has a belief worded something like this. Why is the belief so common? Because most people have tried to change and discovered they either couldn't change at all, or they changed and then the old pattern came back, or they needed constant reinforcement, or the change took a lot of time or a lot of effort, etc. In any case, few people try to change and discover that the change is quick, easy, and permanent. As a result, they form the belief you're going to get rid of right now. The program will now pause, so you can write in the text box on your monitor your version of the belief, change is difficult and takes a long time. Use the words that are the most real for you. When you finish writing, please click Continue.